All right, guys, this is my review of the OYO Water HSUP 3000 submersible outdoor water pump. For this one is awesome. I've tried a couple, but this one is specifically for fountains, and I'm going to show you how that works in a second. The thing I like about a lot of these OYO water pumps, and this one too, is it comes pre-assembled. There's nothing you really have to do out of the box except attach which nozzle you want to be able to use for the fountain part. I'm going to show you a couple of them just to kind of give you an idea of how they both work. Comes with a really long extension cord, and so you don't have to worry about that. And what you want to do is you want to make sure the unit is fully submerged before you plug it into the outlet. Make sure, because that's how the motor, that's going to ruin the motor. It's a submersible motor, so make sure it's plugged in before you do it. What I'm doing right now is I'm going to go plug it into the wall, and then I'm going to give you an idea and show you how this is specifically. They have a lot of different pumps, but this one's cool because it gives you many different vibes. If you're looking specifically for fountain pumps, this is the one to go with. Um, it moves 780 gallons per hour. And what I'm showing you right now is you can turn it, there's a knob on it to turn it down or turn it up. So you're seeing how different it works when it's pumping more water or less water, when the water pressure's up or water pressure's lower. So that's how that works. And then what I'm also about to do is I'm gonna attach attach another nozzle to it just to give you guys kind of an idea of what you can do with the fountains. So this one I think is really cool. It's just a different vibe. Um, so this is my favorite water pump so far from Oyo because you get just different fountain vibes. But so far from what I've experienced with these, man, these things pump. They are compact and they work. So if you're looking specifically for like a fountain kit, so you can have like a fountain in the middle of your pond, I think this is a good one to give a shot to. I don't think you're gonna go wrong with this.